Hello everyone, I'm Darren and today I'm going to present my PixelPad game, which is a tower defense game. The main objective is to defend your tower from various monsters that will spawn using various methods. So if I click play, you'll be directed to the main menu where you can read the instructions or start the game immediately and initialize a new game window like this. So to make things simpler, I'm going to explain everything in the game window using this pink window. So the first thing I want to talk about is the coins. The coins are a currency in the game that you can use to do various things like deploy your troops, where the cost is right here inside these square brackets, depending on the troop. And then you can also shoot your cannon, which costs 10 coins. For every a third of a second that passes, you'll be granted 5 coins. Then there's the spike right here. You can deploy 2 of them per wave. So the spikes move at a parabolic motion and travel at a constant velocity. I coded this by using a quadratic function where I kept updating the x values per frame in the game, and then I inputted those x values to a quadratic function that returns the y value, and I kept setting the spike ball's coordinate by the constantly updating x and y values. And then there's the cannon right here. You can manipulate its y value using the W and A keys to move up and down respectively, or increase the y value or decrease the y value respectively. You can press space to shoot a cannonball, and the cannonball would obviously shoot from the tip of the cannon, or its coordinate from where it starts is relative to the position of the cannon. You can spawn troops, so if you using 1, 2, and 3 on your keyboard to spawn the frog, maskman, and astro respectively. Once you spawn them, then a random coordinate from these boundaries will be selected by the game because it's random, and then they'll deploy and keep moving forward from there. The same goes with the enemies, except the rates of spawn are controlled by the game. The enemies move left and troops move right, to your left and to your left. Right. So once they collide, they will exchange their stats. The enemies and the troops have stats, which are their health and attack. So once they exchange them, whoever outlasts the other, or whoever's health reaches, or whoever's health is smaller than 0 first, would get destroyed, and the other sprite would advance to their current direction. So, and when the enemy reaches the castle or collides with any region in the castle, the game will be declared lost. So now I'm gonna play my game. I purposely increased my cannonball damage by a really large number so that I could win much easier and show you the game much easier.